Good morning, world. So here we are. It's the week of Thanksgiving. It's Tuesday. It's dark. It's cool. But I'm in the shop and I'm gonna do stuff. I need to clean the quail room, wherever the heck that thing is. It's over there. Gray door. I need to clean the quail room, but they're not awake yet, so we're going to do a little bit of maintenance here. So in the family life, you've got your kids, and then you've got your other kids. Your other kids are ones you adopt along the way. They've been part of the family for 28 years, and it's just one of those things that you just do it. So I've got one of such children, and her dad passed away, and she's cleaning out his stuff, and he had this little laser. It's a little benchtop laser engraver, and I know it's a cheap one, and that's fine, but it's got a broken leg. So I'm going to fix this leg today so I can use this laser, and I'm going to make him a Christmas present. So I'm going to turn on the GoPro, put it on my head so you guys can watch how I'm fixing this, and we'll make it happen. Hang tight, like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't post a video last week. I had to do a bunch of editing for a video I did for my daughter and her husband. It turned out pretty spectacular. I'm not sharing that publicly, so don't worry about it. But that was last week. This is this week. Let's fix the laser. Alright, so that's done. I apologize for the darkness over here. But, so, I had some metal bracketry that I used to screw it all together. I'll come back and cut those screws off if I feel the need to, but it's not going to hurt anything right now. Yeah, I know my shop is a wreck. But what I've done is I put it on the bench or on the table saw, because that's the flattest thing I've got, and made sure that it didn't rock back and forth and everything's nice and stable. So now I got to go get my laptop, hook up to it. Now I hooked up to it last night for the first time ever and made it move around a little bit, and I really didn't do anything to speak of because I was inside and I didn't have any material in there. But I was able to make it move, make it point to the full corners. I loaded an image into the software, and I was able to make it mark out the edges of the image so I knew where I was going to be placing my material and that type of stuff. But that aside, I'm going to go get my laptop and I'm going to spool this thing up and put it to work while I'm cleaning that room. Alright, I got the laptop. I'm not going to show you what I'm working on because I want that to be a surprise. But the laser's rolling. That bad boy do its job here. We've already made a nice line. We'll see how this turns out. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. Like I said, it's only the second time I've connected to the laser, and this is the first thing I've ever cut with it or engraved. So we'll see how that goes. We'll check back in periodically, make sure everything's okay. Hang tight. Alright, we're at daylight. Actually a little past daylight. Quail room's clean. Part of that room is clean. I've got to go work on Mom's cabin now. I want to get her moved in by Thanksgiving. So the laser's a lasering. We're going to let that keep working. I made a test copy of one image. It came out pretty good. I turned the speed up a little bit, turned the power up. Actually, I left the speed alone, turned the power up a little bit. The software for this thing is really easy to use. It's really easy to import an image into the file. You can do words, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. And I'm just learning how. But there's what I've got so far. We're going to let this thing keep pounding on it. Software says it'll be done in about an hour. This laser is supposed to have a 10,000 hour life. We'll see how that goes. I'm new to the laser world, but so far it's been pretty cool. The two things I've done, like I said, it's been really easy to get used. It's really easy to set up. It's just got to be on a flat level surface, and it doesn't have to be horribly level. It's just got to be flat. And then you set your focal length, the height your laser is off of the product that you're engraving, and build your software and let it roll. So we're going to let it roll. We'll check back in on it shortly.